Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are building a website with Squarespace in 2026, the spacer block is one of the simplest tools but also one of the most misunderstood. Controls vertical spacing, improves readability, keeps layouts clean and balanced. In this guide I will show you step by step how to add a spacer block in Squarespace in 2026 correctly, cleanly and without ruining your layouts. Okay, so first thing first, log into Squarespace, open your page editor, okay? Click add block. Or add section, okay? Add section, tap it. And then select spacer, okay? So that's it, you have added a spacer. So adjust spacer height. So after adding the spacer block, click and drag the spacer handle, increase or decrease heights visually, watch spacing updates live. So adjust slowly, small changes matter, okay? So best places to use spacers: between select sections, above or below buttons, between text and images, before CTAS, okay? So avoid stacking multiple spacers, using spacers inside cramped layouts. Okay, so one spacer is usually enough. So best practice: use sections for major spacing, use spacers for fine tune. So sections equals structure and spacers polish, or spacers equal polish. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.